Looks like Samsung might surprise us by keeping the price of the Galaxy S25 Ultra steady. Rumors had been flying around that we'd see a 10 to 12% price hike on the new Galaxy flagships, but it seems that might not be the case after all. A leaker named Reef, who's since deleted the tweet, recently claimed that Samsung won't increase the prices of the Galaxy S25 series, and Apple might actually be the reason. Apparently, Apple's decision to freeze the prices of the iPhone 16 series has made a big impact on Samsung's strategy. As a result, it looks like the Galaxy S25 lineup could stick to the same prices as the current Galaxy S24 models. That means we could still see the S25 starting at $799, the S25 Plus at $999, and the S25 Ultra at $1,299. The rumors also suggest that storage configurations will stay the same, with the base Galaxy S25 offering 128 gigs of storage, while the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra come with 256 gigs. It's always good to see manufacturers keeping prices stable, especially with everything that usually pushes prices up, like inflation and rising production costs. And for anyone thinking about pre-ordering, Samsung's always offers some sweet deals for early buyers. If you reserve or pre-order, you can snag things like extra trade-in credit, up to $50 in Samsung credit, and double storage. Not bad, right? As for upgrades, it looks like the Galaxy S25 series will come packed with more RAM. A recent Geekbench report suggests the base S25 will have 12 gigs of RAM, which means the other models in the lineup will likely come with at least that much too. The S25 Ultra could even get a 16 gigs RAM version with up to 1 terabyte of storage. More RAM means better multitasking and smoother AI performance, perfect for things like Samsung's Galaxy AI and Samsung DeX, which lets you turn your phone into a desktop when connected to a monitor. Of course, all of this is still based on rumors, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. But with a potential January release, we'll probably start hearing more details soon. So stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.